Ladies and gentlemen, hope you are good and doing well. In the previous video, I showed you how you can create collaboration where we use this video as sample and how you can invite someone to be your work collaborator, right? So that's why in this video now I'm going to show you now how you can accept collaboration. Once someone invites you to be a collaborator, how you can accept invitation, right? Yes, what we do now, first of all, we need to switch to another channel. Remember, we used this G Double Coding Academy. That's why we have to switch on this G Double Coding Academy, right? Then, as I already said, you should use that link. You can get link via WhatsApp, via email, and so on and so forth. So what you do, once you have a link, you just click on that link for your invitation, right? Then after click on that link, you will get an icon or button asked you to accept the collaboration invitation, right? What you do is to make sure that you already have a link from inviter, right? So let us wait a little bit and accept the request. You see, collaboration request to mean there's someone asks us to collaborate with him or her, right? So after click on that, here we have an options where we can accept or decline the invitation to be collaborate with this channel for this video, right? So what you do to accept is to click on accept, or you can decline by clicking on decline here, right? But let us accept collaboration. After clicking here on accept collaboration, you see now in collaboration is already there. Collaboration successful, right? So here you can manage collaboration, where you can also cancel your collaboration with this channel GOOIST Academy, right? So these are videos I collaborate with, and of course this is working because it's helping me to grow in this time. You see our channel is now growing up than previous days, right? So thank you for watching this video. If you are new here, please don't miss subscribe, like this video, and share this video to our colleagues so that it can also help them to grow in a short time as possible, right? So thank you. See you in the next video.